Now I have to make some announcement. Only 2 more minutes. I will take this announcement. I wanted to cover something more in this class, but I think it's overwhelming. There are doubts that I will have to see now. So it is going to be overwhelming. So I will stop this. I will, before I seek doubts, I'll tell you something very important. Samskrita Bharati is a organization which is doing free service for the society. Over 1.2 crore people over the last 40 years of our existence has been doing great service to this country by doing Sambhashana Shibirams and classes like this, which are absolutely free of cost. We don't charge anything. The teaching is free. Only for the material, like whatever you have in front of you, whatever you have, the Pravesha Pustakam and all that, we charge you some nominal fees, including the textbook and the exam fees. Otherwise, the books are 20 rupees, 30 rupees. I've got so many books here, 20 rupees, 30 book rupees. That's the price of the book. But organization also requires funds for working. It is absolutely a voluntary request. This yesterday was Vaikunta Ekadashi. Yesterday was also Tulasi Divasaha. Yesterday was also Mokshada Ekadashi, the 11th day of the Margashirsha month. Masanam Margashirsha Aham. Bhagavan says in the 10th chapter, that is the most favorite month of Lord Krishna. On the 11th day of the Margashirsha month, actually Masanam is of Shashti Vibhakti only. It is a different usage of Shashti Vibhakti. It is not the Sambandha usage, which I will explain to you in later classes. Masanam Margashirsha. Masanam Aho Margashirsha. That is what he says. I am the Margashirsha month among all the months. So the Margashirsha month in the Hindu calendar is very close to the Bhagavan himself. And on the 11th day of the Margashirsha month, which is the first day of the 18-day Kurukshetra war, Bhagavan explains Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. In today's world, we are all lucky to have Samskrita Bharati because we are able to learn Pravesha Pariksha, understand Sanskritam, converse in Sanskritam, and also disseminate this knowledge of Sanskritam. So I sent a lot of messages yesterday in the group, and I also blocked the people from writing thank you, question, namaste, and all that because the message gets lost in that. So when I want you to read something that I sent, I also block others from sending messages. I want you to read what I have sent you. Samskrita Bharati has got 2,000 plus centers working in 25 different countries, 26 different countries, and we're spreading this message of Sanskritam, and we want to make Sanskritam a Vyavahariga Bhasha in our homes. Out of this class of, I don't know how many people are there in this class today. Today I see an attendance of 44 people in the class, and out of which are, I think, 20-25 people are from Konkan Pran, which is Mumbai and Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg and all these districts here, and the rest of them are from other parts of the world and the country. And I am thankful myself to Konkana Prantaha for organizing this program, and also to Samskrita Bharati Keralam, from where I have learned all the Vyakaranam. Sambhashanam I have learned from Kumar Mahodaya, but I have also learned a lot from Uttara Tamil Nadu and Kerala Pradesh, where Kiran Mahodaya is my teacher, from whom I have learned Vyakaranam in Malayalam, and that is what I'm trying to convert into English and teach all of you. Samskrita Bharati is coming up with an international center of Sanskritam, somewhere in Deenatayal Upadhyaya Marg in Navadelhi Nagaram, which is a 20 crore project. So the project definitely requires funds. And the funds has to come from people like us who are Swayam Sevaks of Sanskritam, Karyakartas of Sanskritam, and Chatras like you who are also Samskrita Anuraganaha, Samskrita Premis. It is absolutely voluntary. I will give you bank account details of both Samskrita Bharati Keralam for people outside of Konkana Prant, which is Mumbai and surrounding districts is Konkana Prant. They will deposit whatever you can, Shatam Samarpayami, Sahasram Samarpayami, Laksham Samarpayami, depending upon what is your contribution capability. 100, 1,000, 10,000, a lakh, depends upon what you want. It's absolutely voluntary. There is no compulsion, but it is something. Hastasya Bhushanam Dhanam. Our ornament is also Dhanam. And there is also one more Subhashitam, which I want to tell you, that Dhanam is very important because Dhanam makes you richer. For a good cause, if you do Dhanam, if you have surplus money, if you don't have surplus money, you're trying to make your ends meet at home, no need of any Dhanam. But if surplus money, and if you want to do something for a good cause, here is a cause right in front of you, 20 crore project. We require everybody to contribute to that. 100 rupees, Shatam Samarpayami, Sahastram Samarpayami, Laksham Samarpayami. Laksham is only just to, if somebody has really surplus money of a Laksham, like Dhirubhai Ambani or Mukesh Ambani, they can contribute Koti Abhi Samarpayami. The whole point is to be part of the international project, Samskritam headquarters, international headquarters, Samskrita Bharati, which will be an absolutely great research center for Samskritam, 24/7 Samskritam online teaching. That is all being planned there, various levels of Samskritam. And that is a place where all Samskrita Bharati Karyakartas can go. And it is our own bhavanam. It is our own building. So contribute to that generously as much as you can. No compulsion. The class will continue for 8 more classes. I have a lot to teach you, all of you. You all have to get high marks in Pravesha Pariksha, and also not just the Pariksha, in the Pariksha of life. In this world, you should be able to go and become messengers and messiahs of Sanskrit. That is the whole purpose. I will send you the account details of both Samskrita Bharati in Kerala and also Samskrita Bharati in Mumbai, which is Konkana Prant. Depending upon which area you are, all the people in Konkana Prantam, I want them to do it is this week is the contribution week from 25th to 31st. We are calling the Gita Jayanti week, and we are doing a lot of promotional activities to promote Sanskritam, to talk to influential people in the neighborhood, explain about Samskrita Bharati, our programs, so that we spread the message of Sanskritam and get this language back into vogue, back into use, and back into Vyavaharika Bhasha. I will give you the account details of Samskrita Bharati in Kerala for people who are outside of Konkan Prant. People who are in Konkana Prant, please put it on the Dobivali branch of Samskrita Bharati account. I'll be the details of that. It is absolutely voluntary. Please send the screenshot to me or to Rinki Mahodaya after you do the remittance, because we need to correlate with the remittances, because it's an income tax issue. Anybody who contributes more than 1,000 rupees is also eligible to get ATG income tax benefit. So people who have income tax benefit, that's an added advantage. It's 100% income tax benefit advantage is there. We need your name, you need your address also, and a screenshot, so that we can reference the transaction number and we can correlate and do the accounting for accounting purpose. Otherwise, it is absolutely voluntary. And I want to end this class with a Subhashidam and then take the doubts. I have already crossed 5 minutes of my scheduled time. Shamyatam. Danam bhogo nashastistro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhungte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. The meaning of the Subhashidam, I'll repeat it again. Danam bhogo nashastistro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhungte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. Wealth can take 3 different forms or courses in your life: donation, enjoyment, and destruction. This is all the 3 forms wealth can take. If somebody is saving a lot of money for your kids, if your kids are good, they don't need your money. If your kids are good, they don't need your money. They will go and make their money themselves in their life. But if your kids are bad, they will spoil your name and they'll destroy all your money also. So what I tell people is, save money for your rainy days, but don't save a lot of money for your kids. Give them good education, good samskaram. They will go and make money for themselves. But if you make a lot of money for them, they won't even use it if they are good kids who will actually go and fly in this world, and they don't need your money. And if they are bad kids, if you're not giving them good samskaram, they will destroy your money, they'll destroy your name too. So money can take 3 different forms: Danam, Bhogo, Nashastistram. Ityukte, donation, enjoyment, and destruction. When who does not enjoy, Anubhavam abhi karne ka life mein, you have to, God has sent you to this world, material world, to also enjoy. Anubhavam karne ka bhi hai. You have to enjoy this world. You have to experience this world, but you also have to donate your surplus wealth. If you don't do 1 and 2, which is either if you don't donate or you do enjoyment or anubhavam, destruction of the wealth is a given. Who does not donate or enjoy will find his wealth taking the 3rd course, which is destruction. Danam bhogo nashastistro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo na dadati na bhungte tasya tritiya gatir bhavanti. With this, I will end this class officially. I know there are certain students in this class who have got questions, so I want to take those questions. So let me see the chat box. How to say Valmiki's Ramayanam? Valmiki Mahodayasya Ramayanam. Idi vadatu. Valmiki Mahodayasya Ramayanam. So you can, wherever you are not sure about the ending of the padam, you can use Mahodaya and Mahodayasya Ramayanam. Please give your name, number. I don't see any further questions, or maybe if I see it, I'll put it in the chat box. Astu, we will end this class now because already we have got a little late for the class. So we will do the Yam Vaidika Mantram and we will end this class for the time being. Shamita, I've made the class 9 minutes late today. Yam Vaidika Mandadrishaha Purana Indram Yamam Matarishwanamahu Vedantino Nirvachaniyamekam Mekam Yam Brahma Shabdena Vinirdirshanti Shaivayamisham Shiva Ityavochan Yam Vaishnava Vishnuritustuvanti Buddhastatarhan Iti Bauddha Jainaha Sachriya Kaleti Chasikasanta Shasteti Kechit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prarthayante Jagadishitaram Sa Eka Eva Prabhuradvitiyah. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Sarve bhavantu sukham bhavatu mangalam bhavantu sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramayah sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschita दुख भाग भवेत. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
महोदय.
धन्यवाद.